it's me, Mrs. Fisher again. We are going to be reviewing a couple things that I know you already know because I know you have fantastic music teachers and I know that they taught you this already, but just in case we forgot over the 5-6 months we were not in school, I want to remind you. So first thing we're going to talk about right here is the time signature. That tells us how many beats per measure. That would be the top 4. And what kind of note gets the beat? That would be quarter note. You may notice that we have added a new rhythm today. We are still using quarter note, which is 1 beat, but we are also adding in our half note, which gets 2 beats. When I clap and count a half note, I use 2, and I try to make that sound very smooth because you wouldn't want to sing 2 because, awkward, and it wouldn't sound good. I also wanted to review today repeat sign. And of course, you know that a repeat sign means to repeat. So let's clap and count this first exercise. Here we go. Ta, ta, 2, ta, ta, 2, 2, 2, ta, ta, 2, ta, ta, 2, ta, ta, 2, 2, 2, ta, ta, 2. Very nicely done. Okay, so now we're going to our singing, and we have, of course, our key of F major again. Do is still in the first space. That would be our F. Re is still on the second line, and that is our G. Now we are going to add one more note. Sorry, there's a fly buzzing around me. And that is the note A. A is in the second space. You might remember your music teacher telling you face is the line, as the spaces, right? F-A-C-E. So that's your A, that's your mi. Mi is now going to be the highest note. You'll notice the hand sign for mi looks like this, in case you forgot. Make sure your mi hand sign is higher than your re and your do. Okay, do, re, mi, re, do. Make sure it is that because it is now our highest note. Let's just hear how some of these sound and sing them. Do, and then we have re, and now we have mi. Let's go this last measure. Mi, re, do. And for those half notes, remember, you are holding that smoothly so it sounds pretty. Okay, we want to sound good. Let's just sing through it. You can see the hand signs there to remind you what the notes are. I think you can handle it. Here we go. Do, 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 re, 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 mi, re, do. Very nice. I would like you to sing through that on your own. I'm not going to sing along, but I will play it so you can hear it. Here you go. Okay, going to this next line, you will see that I had to put a repeat sign here to tell it to just repeat this line because of the program that I'm using. Normally, you wouldn't see a repeat sign at the beginning of an exercise like this, but because of the program I'm using, I had to put it there or it won't repeat this line. It goes right back to the beginning, to the rhythm exercise, and we don't want to do that. So we do have a repeat sign here. I did label the me's because, again, this is a lot. See, this is why we're going slow. I told you. So mi is labeled because that is our new note. And I know this is a lot, half note and mi. So I want you to try to audiate it first. And just, you don't have to worry about the repeat. Just audiate through it once and see how you do. There's your do, ready, go. How you doing? You doing good? You ready to go on? Let's try and sing through it. Remember, we will be repeating. Let's get our do. Do, here we go. Do, re, mi, re, do. Do, do, re, mi, re, do. Do, re, mi, re, do. Do, do, re, mi, re, do. Very nicely done. Does mi, re, do sound familiar? Mi, re, do. Do, 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 re, mi, re, do. I know you know that song, Hot Cross Buns. Yeah. All right. That's it for today. See you next time.